Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Google Maps default on your iPhones. Whenever you open map link at your iPhone, it will be default open in Apple Maps even if you have installed a Google Maps at your iPhones. But if you want to change the settings at your iPhones and make a Google Map as your default map opener, then please keep watching this full video, and after this you will be easily fix this at your iPhones. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your App Store and in the search bar type here Google Chrome. Now install this application at your iPhones, and after installing this go back, open your settings. Now scroll it up until you see your app Google Chrome. Now tap at Google Chrome. Now page my screen. You will see a option default browser app. Simply tap it here. As page my screen you can see my default browser apps. First is a Safari. Now you just have to change it now. Tap at Google Chrome like this. Set your Google Chrome as your default browser. Now all the links will be open up in your Google Chrome with your Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too, and press the bell icon button for upcoming video notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.